Hi there. Today, we're showcasing the mDesign plastic stackable toy storage bin, perfect for organizing any space. These clear bins feature hinged lids that open easily, letting you find toys or supplies without hassle. They stack securely, maximizing vertical storage and keeping items dust-free and neat. Ideal for everything from blocks and puzzles to art supplies and small toys, they fit perfectly in bedrooms, playrooms, or craft areas. Made from durable plastic with sturdy steel hinges, these bins are built to last and simple to clean. Their compact size works well in apartments, dorms, or any home needing extra organization. Transform clutter into order with this versatile and functional storage solution. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.